Introducing the 2020 Kia Telluride. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, a tachometer, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.